guys, what's up? This is Cherish and I am here with another video. Duh. But this one is a retake on a product that I had tried in the past, and at the time when I did the review, that's how I felt because I tried it for the first time. So I gave my honest opinion. But I decided to do it again because I had retried the product, and I'm the type of person where if I try something one time, I'm like, okay, if I don't really like it, I'm okay with revisiting it just to double check and to make sure that that's how I feel about it. And so that's what I decided to do. I decided to try the Revlon One Step Blow Dryer and Styler again. And I had used it a couple months ago when I straightened my hair. Pretty much when I did that rant video, I had used this to blow dry my hair then, and yeah, I figured out how to use it and how it works well for my hair. So I am going to show you guys and tell you guys exactly how this can really work. And this is good to use. I'm just going to tell you right now, this is really good to use if you want to use minimal heat, because this thing, compared to what I'm used to using, which is like my go-to blow dryer, this thing is not as strong. So I figured out how to use this with using minimal heat and getting the stretched out look before you want to flat iron your hair, or if you just want to go styling your hair right after a blow dry. So just to jump into it, I already washed my hair, I've already conditioned it, and this is what I do on my wash days. I put it in plaits after washing and conditioning and deep conditioning and all that before I go into blow dry. So after I do this, I normally go in and blow dry my hair. I really kind of only wait maybe 10 or 15 minutes and then blow dry my hair. But this time, because I'm using this blow dryer, I actually have gone about an hour, almost 2 hours with my hair like this, and that way I can get it dried to the point to where it's not like really wet. And this is what I found out when using this. You want to make sure your hair is fairly dried. When I did use this the last time, I did go like a full day. I actually, or a few hours, shall I say, because I did my hair really late. But when I woke up in the morning, then I used this. So my hair was pretty much all the way dried. But this time I feel like it is pretty dried. It's been, like I said, a couple hours, and I still think this will work pretty well. But this thing really works good, you guys, when your hair is pretty much almost 75% dry. Just say that, just 75% dry. So I'm going to show you guys how my hair looks and how it comes out using this Revlon One Step Blow Dryer and Styler, because I did find out that I do like this if I don't want to put a lot of heat on my hair. You know, just to switch up my routines, I like to switch it up. That way I won't feel like I'm putting too much stress or, you know, heat on my hair, because I do like to straighten it and all that. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and use this. So I'm going to take out one section. Before I get onto that, let me just show you guys what I use to wash and condition my hair. So this time when I wash and condition my hair, I use the Garnier Whole Blends Replenishing Shampoo and Replenishing Conditioner. Now I've tried this for the first time in my hair. I have used the other Garnier Whole Blends, but this is my first time using the Legendary Olive. This green one, just say this green one. It's my first time using this one. I really like how the products work well in my hair after washing it and after conditioning. I like how my hair felt. And then for the deep conditioning, I use the Aussie Noise. So I do have videos on my routines, like washing and conditioning and blow drying and all of that, and I'll link those videos in the description box. But this is a second review for the Revlon One Step Blow Dryer and Styler. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how my hair looks after blow drying with this, okay? So let's take this out. My hair is still kind of wet. So what I like to do is start on a low setting first, always. So we're going to start with the low setting. And notice how I'm using it this way versus this way. This way I found to be more effective. In case you're wondering, I did use a heat protectant as well. I sprayed in the Nova Naturals Moisture Lock Leave-In Conditioner before. So once I'm finished with using the low heat setting, and I feel like my hair is pretty dried and stretched out, then I go in with the high heat setting. And then after the high setting, I will do the cool setting. And then there you have it. This is my hair fully dried and blown out. As you can see, my hair came out fairly straight. So when I go into flat iron, I will only have to do one pass like I always do, and on I always do like 420, but with this I feel like I can even do like 4 or even 380 or something. But yeah, I won't need to really flat iron my hair hard. So yeah, I'm gonna finish up and then I'll let you guys see how it looks all blow dried. Okay, so I am finished with the blow drying process, and this is how my hair looks after being completely blow dried with the Revlon one step. Hair came out pretty straight. So yes, I like this, you guys. Now, like, I like it. I like to switch up products. I like to switch up routines sometimes. You know, as long as I know it's going to help my hair, I don't mind trying it. And this just actually kind of created minimal heat. Instead of me rushing to like straighten it, it actually forces me to let my hair air dry to the point to where my hair is not going to have a lot of heat on it. So I will let it air dry for the most part, and then I will go in with this. So I like it. Yeah, not too bad. So yeah, if you would want to try this for yourself, I would say this is good if you want to use minimal heat and, you know, stretch out your hair. So that's it for this video. Just wanted to do a retake for this product and review. So that's it. I will catch you guys in the next video.